Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I get a lot of questions on my channel about what nail drill or e-file I use. Now, right off the bat, I just want to say I'm not too fussed about if you call it a drill or if you call it an e-file. I know what you're talking about. The technical term is e-file, but if you say drill, it's fine. I'm not going to get mad at you. The one that I currently use is the one that I received in my kit from nail school. So it is, I believe, from Sally's Beauty, I think is where they picked it up from. I'm really not 100% sure, but I did look for a replacement of the same brand and I couldn't find one. So it's, what is it? Medicool Pro Power 30K. So it's 30,000 RPMs and it's always worked really, really well for me up until recently. I've had this since 2017 and I've been using it every single day. So, I mean, it's gone through the ringer. Let me put a bit in here and let you listen to what's going on with it. Okay, so occasionally when I go to try to turn it on, it won't even turn on, which it turned on fine today, but so I could hear that really clearly. I think you can probably hear that as well. This poor drill has been through it. So it's not been working great for me. I really liked it. This has done me very well over the years. Unfortunately, it was just time to get a new e-file. I mean, this has done me so well, but she's biting the dust a little bit. So watching other people's channels and checking out reviews and things, I decided to pick up the Sparkle Pro. It's the rechargeable e-file for Melodysusie. And right on the box it says nail drill. Like, you know, guys, we know it's an e-file. We know that's the professional term. We're gonna call it a drill. It's not a big deal. So don't come at me in the comments if I say drill. Okay, first off, this came packaged very well. It was in a box with a bunch of bubble wrap. And then it was just like this right here. I love the packaging. It's a very sturdy box and it's kind of like opening an iPhone, which is kind of exciting. Okay, so right off the bat, it has like a little gift card thing with a QR code, sorry, on the back. And then it's got your user manual, tells you everything you need to know about how to operate it, how it works, maintenance, all that jazz, important safety information. So I'm not gonna go through all that, but here is the unit. It's in a nice little cushy foam thing. Oh yes. Let me just peel this plastic off. Do a proper unboxing here. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that looks so nice. This little square right here, that is the LCD screen, probably where it comes up with the numbers. It's got a nice little belt clip on the back. Here is where you plug in the handpiece, and here is where you plug in the power source, it looks like, or vice versa. Power source, handpiece. So let's open the rest. Take that little cushy spot out, and we've got empty box. I'm probably going to save this box for a Christmas present because that's just a nice box. I'm sure I can wrap one of my daughter's presents in there. All right, here is the handpiece. Okay, it's in a nice little styrofoam squishy surrounding wrapped in bubble wrap. This handpiece is so tiny, you guys. I really wanted a small handpiece and I like this a lot. Now, compared to my old one, you can see how tiny it is. The weight is relatively the same. So this has got a good weight to it. It's not super heavy, but it feels good in your hand. You know, it feels similar to this one. It's just not as chunky, which is what I was looking for, something really nice and slim and easy to hold on to. So this works the same as my other one. You just twist to lock and unlock pulls out the little bit and twist to lock. There's that. Let's see if it comes with a cradle or anything. Oh wow, okay. I wasn't expecting to see bits in here. So it's got a little stand. This is like kind of a rubbery little stand that you can sit it on, like so. Here is the power cord, and this is the piece I was looking for. This is what I wanted. So, oh, it's going to be opposite of my other one. This way, probably. See if I can figure this out, you guys. There we go. Clicks right in. Excuse me, I've got a frog in my throat today. And then that sits right in there. I would like to get like a stand to sit this in so I could set it on my desk so it's not flat like this. That's not really gonna work for me. So yeah, I gotta look into getting like a holster or something for this because it will be mostly sitting on my desk. I may use it to go over to the pedicure chair, which will be nice that it'll be charged and I won't have to take the cord with me. And here is the cord. So I guess they include some bits. Now, this is your standard bit pack that you get with just about any e-file you purchase. It's nice, it has a nice little mandrel in there and then some just diamond bits. Nothing too fancy or nice, and I really don't even like these sanding bands, but they did include these, which I didn't know these were included. This is a nice little tornado bit. Looks to be like a medium grit. Yep. And then a medium grit ceramic safety bit. Very nice. I will definitely use those. Those are nice little bits. So let me plug this in and turn it on and we can have a listen. Okay, so I just plugged it in and it right away popped up the battery showing that it's charging. I'm going to turn it on for the first time. Nope, that's not gonna work. Hold on, gotta plug the handpiece in. I'm just too excited. Okay, all right. Now it will probably work. Maybe. Oh, it's not doing anything. Okay, I finally got it to turn on. I don't think it had enough battery to turn on, I think was the problem. So here we go. It takes it a second to engage, which is a little weird. Not used to that. My drill just click it and it turns on right away. It's relatively quiet, so definitely takes it a second to click on. A little different than mine. I'm gonna go to about 15 here. And I'm just going to like lightly buff over the top of my thumb and just get a feel for how it feels in my hand. It's a good drill bit. Well, I've got mixed feelings. I'm not sure if I love it yet. I may grow to love it. Time will tell. So let me plug my other one in and use this same bit. Ooh, don't drop it, Ginger. Don't drop it. Get back in your holster there. Okay. You can hear a huge sound difference. That is 30. That is as high as my other one goes. That's 30. Let me just show you the dial on this one and how it, like you turn it on, it's on. It kind of starts at 3, but it's on. This one is a little bit more smooth to rotate. This one is a bit more stiff, the new one. Let's go ahead up to as high as it goes. I'm gonna do the same thing. Honestly, this one feels like it has more power. I feel like I'm not trying to push as hard. Honestly, this one does feel like it has more power. So, I don't know, you guys. I will be using this, and I will come back on and give y'all an update on what I think. Like I said, maybe I just need to get used to it. Maybe I'll grow to love it. Maybe I won't like it at all. So only time will tell, and I will see you back in maybe about a month or so, and I will give you an update on the Melodysusie e-file.